Yeah. So first step is a circle. Second step you just create here. I just use pencil, red pencil. No, you use a pencil only, okay? You use pencil only. Do like this. Okay, aram se. And make it after the eyes. I go make it. It is. This is a. This is first step circle. Second step like this and this. Okay. Third step. Third steps. Oh, I'm making here. One circle like this. Okay, one circle in this. Okay, in this line we are making one circle and nose. Okay, we make nose and we make the mouth. Okay. Done with this much. Okay. Done beta, yeah, done.
Sir, please go to next step, sir.
Yes,
Please.
beta, 8, 4, 8 and 4. So next steps we are creating here. Okay, just one here. Make it do like this. Okay. So and do like this. This is mustache and beard. Okay, this is a beard. Okay, and mustache, both are there. And here make it this eyebrow. Okay, right. So I draw here one Santa Claus. In Santa Claus head, I make a cap. I make a cap. Okay. This is the head. Okay. Now the head is done. I make the body. Okay. How to make body? Just so easy. You mark over here. One. See, this is the body. That much I make the body. Okay. So what I do first, I make one circle for torso. I make one circle for pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. This circle for torso, circle for pelvis. Okay, fine, simple. So I erasing this line, this eyes line and nose line. I erasing these things. Okay, eyes line and nose line I erasing. So you understand that character. This is nose, this is a mustache, this is the face, this is eyes, here is the ear, okay. So now this is the body, okay. This body you have leg, just simple, okay. Make leg, one leg, two leg, okay. This is the boot. This is the boot. When I show the character, see from the pelvis, this two leg is coming. One this, one this. Okay. From the pelvis. And from the torso, this is torso circle, this is the pelvis circle. And this is a head circle. Three circle always there. Okay, beta? From torso circle, you make it one hand and two hand. From this circle, I make this two hand. One hand here, one hand here. Okay. So let's making two hand. Okay. Fine. I make the pant. I make the dress. Okay. So then you can erasing this two circle. Okay. When your body is done, you can erase this two circle. Okay. This two circle you are erasing because you draw here one pant. Oh my God, my pencil is gone. Okay, so I just drawing over here hand. Okay, one hand is this simple. Okay, like this one and one oval, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. First one line, then one oval, and then thumb finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shamyo, IBM. Hi. Hi. Yes, ma'am. Tell me. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am. I'm here. Yeah. Yes. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Can you get join now? This online class is going on. So one demonstration I'm giving. Oh, okay, fine. Now it's going on one demo class actually. So just join one demo class, then after that can join classes. So basically the classes is that Saturday Sunday I taking class, and before classes he can take one demo class. After demo class, if you like class, and if I am also understand the student how much quality, so then we can join classes. Okay. Fee structure is a 1000. It is a for the monthly. Okay, monthly. If you have a 4 to 5 classes drawing, or you get the 2 to 3 classes craft. So total getting the 5 to 8 classes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Drawing is a craft class is the free classes. You can get the free if you join the art class. You get the craft classes free. Okay, so you have a 4. It depends the month. It's usually 6 class. If it's some month it's Saturday Sunday 5 Saturday Sunday. That month you get the 8 class. Normally it's weekly 1 class drawing, and every alternative Sunday you get the craft class. Okay, ma'am. Suppose first week, yeah. Suppose first week 1 class, second week 2 class, third week 1 class, fourth week 2 class, like this. No, it is online and offline both, ma'am. I'm staying in, yeah, the same twist. Okay, ma'am, yeah. Same, ma'am. Same, ma'am. Online, offline, the same, ma'am. Okay. In offline it is maybe 4-5. In online also 4-5. Okay. Yeah, not issue, not issue. If you are off. It's still, it is an online as we the Saturday Sunday, but if you wish to going class offline the class, then my wife can take classes. This is the weekdays, but I'm taking the online classes or offline. It's the only the Saturday Sunday. Okay. Yes. Okay, ma'am. Sure. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah. So I just make this final line, okay? Character. This is Santa Claus. Okay. It is like a Santa Claus. It's a smiley. And see, very simple, smiley and simple. Is that character fishing. Okay, this is the hand. This character fishing. Okay, this character fishing. This is the okay. So I create this character dress. It's very fun dress, like okay. See, I make like this. I make this like this. Okay. Make it like this. The hand. Okay. is a fun character. This is the lake, small lake. Okay. So this is a fishing. Okay. In the water. This is standing in the one boulder. Okay. And this is water. And is doing this fish. One fish. See, this is a fish. Okay. So make this is character was fishing fish. I make some scenery. Okay. The tree, grasses. Okay. The pine tree. Make this pine tree. Okay. I'll make scenery. Just simple pine tree. Okay. And the grasses. Make it the grass. Okay. And this is the water. Cloud. So I make one scenery. Okay.